Daniel. Yun, no? Guys, ulit-ulitin ko kung sasabihin sa inyo folks that we are still working with wild animals as much as we want to train them. We don't want to change their behavior. At sabi ko na mga kuya natin na wala daw po si Daniel sa likuran, guys. At nakatakas daw po si Daniel. Baka nandito lang po siya sa ating harapan, okay? Tulungan po kami hanapin si Daniel, guys. Mapagayin po sa ating boss, okay? Kung ano mang makita niyo po, just relax lang. Ayan, may reaction na dyan ba? Ayan na, guys, kinonfirm na may reaction na dyan si Daniel. Ayan na, sigurado si Daniel. Ayan, sigurado siya, guys, okay? Ayan na, guys. Maraming matatapang na yung hapon. Okay, so tayo na lang po na makalapit ko si Kuya Dexter and Kuya Cyril, okay? Ayan, mga sabi na nila capture review po, okay? Ayan, sir, tayo ko siya po na hawakan si Daniel this afternoon. Ayan, no? Try nyo ang tatapang. How about the ano? Ayan, okay? Thank you so much. Ayan, okay. Ayan ba? Ayan ba? Upo na po tayo, iwan po tayo mag-sit-up po. Baka madapa po tayo dyan sa Grand. Di ba Kuya Dexter? Di ba dalawa yan sila Kuya Dexter? Asan yung isa? Ayan, okay, biro lang. Okay yun. Kuya Dexter, nasa pasok na po tayo. Okay, now guys, before we meet Daniel, we need one lucky adult guest po. Pero syempre, hindi ako yung pipili, ha? Si Kuya Dexter po, okay? Sumusunod lamang ako sa mga kuya natin, guys, okay? Now, Kuya Dexter, sino nga ba yung maswerteng bisita this afternoon? Si Ma'am doon na nakawal, Kuya. Ayan, yan po. Si Ma'am na lang daw naman ito. Kung may ifanong inaw, guys, palakpakan po natin. Si Ma'am. Okay, so hindi ko na pilihan later after the show. We have an animal petty po. Okay, now Ma'am, pupunta tayo sa Grand Arena. Now guys, before we meet Daniel, syempre, kilalanin muna natin si Ma'am. Okay, now Ma'am, introduce yourself. What is your name and where are you from? Ma'am Faith from Bicol. Palakpakan po natin si Ma'am Faith, guys. Okay, now, Ma'am, are you ready to meet our gentle giant na si Daniel? Okay, tingnan na po natin sila. There you go. That is Daniel, our Burmese python with the scientific name of Phyton bivitatus. They are one of the largest species snakes of the world because they can reach up to 24 feet long and 90 kilograms. Kaya si Daniel dito is weighing around nasa 30 kilograms. So kaya medyo may pagkamabigat talaga si Daniel. Okay, now Ma'am, sino yung kasama natin? Who are you with this afternoon po? Fiancé ko po. Fiancé ni Ma'am. Asan yung fiancé? Taas ko ba? Ayan, okay now Ma'am. Tingnan na po tayo sa camera, okay? Show your Valentino po, sir. Ayan, kukunan po natin ang picture si Ma'am. Okay, Ma'am? Huwag ka pong matakot, okay? Non-venomous po si Daniel. Ibig sabihin, hindi po nakakamatay yung kanyang kagat, but they are constrictor, meaning, sasakalin po na yung pagkain, Ma'am. Gulay. Kunan na po natin ang picture si Ma'am, okay? Ayan, okay. Hello guys, upon checking the time po, sumubra na po kami sa aming show at yung mga trainers po natin, hindi pa po nakapag-merienda. Okay lang ba na mag-break mo na kami ng at least 5 minutes man lang? Okay lang
yan sa kanila ba? Break up po muna.
Ay, ma'am, pinipiro ka lang po namin, okay? Ikaw talaga po yung lecture. Ayan, okay na.
Hilabot ko man dyan.
Mas mo po. Ayan, okay na, guys. Palakpakan mo natin si ma'am for taking up the challenge. Ma'am, thank you so much for participating po. Okay, now guys, here in Davao Permanent Parking Zoo, we have a mission, and that is to protect, to preserve, and educate people about these lovely animals. The moment that you enter this facility, you are not just here to take some photos or videos of our animals. You are already helping us with our mission.